Hello friends, and welcome back. I hope you are having an absolutely great day. Today, we are tackling the number one reason why most beginners quit trying to make money online: choosing the wrong digital product. If you've been spinning your wheels trying to figure out what to create, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to pick a product that sells fast, giving you 3 proven niche ideas that are already in high demand. The biggest mistake people make is picking a product based on what sounds cool or what they personally enjoy, not what people are already actively spending money on. If you want fast sales, your product must do 3 things. It needs to solve a specific problem for a specific person, and it must already be clearly in demand. Stop guessing and start selling. Let's dive right into those 3 high-converting niches that are perfect for beginners. The first niche is focused on beginners who feel overwhelmed about making money online. Think about that person right at the start line, completely drowning in information. Your job is not to teach them advanced SEO. Your job is to simplify the start. Products that thrive here are checklists, simple beginner guides, step-by-step systems, or simple roadmaps. Simple always beats fancy in this niche. They need clarity, not complexity. The second niche is all about busy people who crave more time or freedom. Time is their most precious resource, and they will pay premium prices to get more of it back. This is where done-for-you solutions are king. Think about faceless content systems, automation guides, plug-and-play templates, or scripts. These products sell fast because they provide an immediate, tangible saving of time and effort. They don't want to learn how to do it. They just want it done. Our third niche is for people who want to learn a skill that directly leads to income. This is the classic pay-to-learn market. We're talking about digital marketing fundamentals, effective content creation strategies, or how to master affiliate marketing. People are willing to invest heavily in skills that promise a direct, measurable return on investment. If you can help someone earn more money, they will happily pay you for the blueprint. Now, before you rush off to create your product, you need to filter your idea using 3 crucial questions. Don't skip this step. 1. Does this product solve a real, urgent problem that someone is feeling right now? 2. Would someone pay to fix this problem today? Not next week, not eventually, but right now? 3. Can I explain the solution simply and clearly in just 1 sentence? Remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel or create something brand new. You just need to create something that already works and present it in a clear, accessible way. Stop letting product paralysis keep you stuck. These 3 niches are proven money makers. Pick 1, simplify the solution, and start building. If you want more beginner-friendly digital income tips and strategies, no fluff, just actionable steps, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.